Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss about three types of CSS. So one is called inline CSS, second is called internal CSS, and the third one is external CSS. So let's use one by one. And here you can see I'm using Sublime Text Compiler. So now first of all I want to add inline CSS for this anchor text code. Here you can see in the Chrome browser. So now I want to add some inline CSS. Just I can copy this one. You can also write this property. Style is equal to, then add inverted commas, then just I can copy this one, background color, and add here, then save it, and after that reload the page. So now here you can see CSS style is implemented. So now if you want to use internal style, how you can do that? Just we can remove this one and now here I want to add internal CSS. Just I can add here style tag. So simply close it. Now here we can add some CSS code. Just I can copy this one and then paste here, then save it, and after that reload the page. So now here you can see this is called internal CSS. So next, how you can use external CSS. Just I can remove this one from here and I can create a new file. Just I want to save this file to .css. So you can add any name here. Make sure that you have added .css, and after that just I can copy some code. So make sure that you are not using style tag for the external CSS. Here you can see I'm not added any style tag here. Now simply save it, and here I want to add and change background color, for example black, then save it, then go to Chrome and reload the page. So now here you can see it's still not working. Just I need to add this tag. Here you can see this one, ahref is equal to 2.css. so this is actual file name. Simply add this code to connect CSS file with HTML, then save it, and after that reload the page. So in this way, here you can see these are three types of CSS that you can easily use, and you can decorate your HTML text into a professional style.